Charity 4. In a long narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6806, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentioned 7 groups of people who will be granted shade on the Day of Judgment by Allah, the Exalted. This shade will protect them from the horrors of the Day of Judgment, which includes the unbearable heat caused by the sun being brought within 2 miles of the creation. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2421. One of these groups includes a person who donates secret charity. Even though donating charity publicly can invite and encourage others to do the same, which increases one's reward depending on how many people follow their behavior, which is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2351. Yet, donating charity in secret avoids the dangerous sin of showing off, which destroys one's deed. When a Muslim donates in secret, it indicates their sincerity to only please Allah, the Exalted. It is important to note, this narration did not set a limit of how much charity must be donated. So a Muslim has no excuse if they fail to act on this advice, as Allah, the Exalted, observes the quality of a deed, meaning a person's sincerity, not quantity. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. In addition, charity in Islam is not only restricted to donating wealth. In fact, it encompasses all good deeds, such as commanding good and forbidding evil. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 1671. As long as one of these righteous deeds is done in secret without the person mentioning it to others, it is hoped they will fulfill this narration and be granted shade on Judgment Day. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.